Hey, what's up? And welcome to another fantastic edition of Nice.
Oh my gosh!
That's what I'm talking about, baby. We're going to continue our huge, Caroline, huge series of podcasts to help get you ready for the FCAT in April so you don't have epic fail. Today's podcast is going to be on problem 8 of your FCAT review packet. Remember, when you take the FCAT, you're going to red light, stop, and read the problem. The next thing you're going to do on the FCAT is yellow light. Slow down, mark, underline, circle, box important information. So if you would, on your paper, please underline or circle. Graphs intersect is referred to as market equilibrium. Also, if you would circle the demand equation and supply equation. And last but not least, it's always helpful to know what the question's asking us. On your paper, please underline or circle the entire question. What is the price per ream in dollars of the market equilibrium? Notice that I'm going to underline underscore in dollars. You guys can box or circle that because that's going to be important to this problem. Alright, before we work the problem, we're going to jump in our time machine and travel back in time to chapter 2. So here we go. Buckle in. Nice. The things I do to give you the best possible education here in math class. Alright, we're going to jump back in time to chapter 2. We're going to relive system of linear equations, or we're going to think of our car crash. What streets or ordered pair did the accident happen at? Now I'm ready for green light. I'm going to go and work the problem. Right here, I have a system of linear equations. Nice vocabulary. Plus 10 bears. Why? By definition, a system of linear equations is two or more linear equations. So this would be linear equation number 1. And this would be linear equation number 2. So that is my system of linear equations. Nice vocab. Duh bears! So I'm looking for my car accident. If I go straight up and then over, my ordered pair where the car crash happened is going to be 70, $5. Notice that 70 is going to be my x. X comes before y in the alphabet. $5 is my y-axis. Nice vocabulary. Duh bears! So my ordered pair is 70, $5. Now the question says, what is the price per ream in dollars of the market equilibrium? So basically, you've got a choice here. You're either going to tell me that the answer is 70, or you're going to tell me the answer is $5. If I go back and read the question, they're asking me for the answer in dollars. If you pick 70, you were cub-like. Epic fail. Why? 70 is reams. We want our answer in dollars. Therefore, the correct answer, perfect answer, precise answer would be $5 because the y-axis is dollars. Here's how you could check your answer on the FCAT. Please write down on your paper the linear equation y equals negative 0.1x plus 12. Please write that linear equation down on your paper. To check your answer on the FCAT to see if you have the correct ordered pair, we are going to substitute. Nice vocabulary. Duh bears! 70 for x and 5 or $5 for y. So please write this on your paper. I substituted 5 for y and I substituted 70 for x. Now I'm going to multiply negative 0.1 by 70 because they're touching each other. That gives me negative 7 plus 12. Please write this down on your paper. A negative 7 and a positive 12 gives me 5. Please write this down on your paper. 5 and 5 are the same number, so it checks. On your paper, please write down the linear equation y equals 0.11x minus 2.7. To make sure I have the correct ordered pair, I'm going to substitute 70 for x and 5 for y. Please write this down in your paper. It's getting annoying, huh? Okay. Just want to make sure you're paying attention. Now I'm going to multiply 70, which I substituted for x, by 0.11. When I do that, bada bing, bada boom, that gives me 7.7. I'm going to subtract 2.7 from 7.7. That gives me 5. 5 and 5 are the same number, so it checks. Make sure you have this written on your paper. So, remember, when you take the FCAT, you need to ask yourself, are they asking me for the answer on the x-axis? Nice vocabulary. Da bears. Or are they asking me for the answer on the y-axis? If I go back to the question, they are asking me for the answer in dollars. That is on my y-axis. Keep the x-axis and y-axis straight on the FCAT, and you will demonstrate that you are smarter than the average 8th grader in Lee County. All right, I believe the Count and Cookie Monster are sick today. Oh no! But that's okay. We have a substitute, and Oscar the Grouch is going to help us out. So we're going to bubble in the answer for problem number 8. You have a plethora of choices. You can bubble answer in as 5, or you can bubble your answer in as $5. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I would just put it in 5 because it's a lot faster and it's a lot less work. So you can put 5 all the way on the left next to the negative part of your grid, or you can put 5 all the way to the right. But technically, $5 is equivalent. You could put 5.00 or all the way to the right-hand side, 5.00, making sure that you bubble in the 5, the decimal, and the 2 zeros. They are equivalent, but this way and this way are more work. If you guys will put your packet back on the counter and return your iPod, thanks. Bye.